Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Sony from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here at the third line we have a button what called Disconnect, and we need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your device and you tap at this button, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds and you click at the Forget the device, it will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let me click at the disconnect, and as you can see we just stopped Bluetooth connection, there's no connection, but we leave it at the device list, and then you can reconnect these earbuds by just tap one time on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.